Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. Today is my P day, or my finding out if I'm getting my balls day. So I just decided I'm gonna vlog today. I'm about to head out to the gym. It's about 8 a.m. So my appointment is at 11:30. It's about an hour away. So I kind of gotta hustle a bit. It's kind of chilly out. I like it, but the downside is that I ride my boosted board to the gym, so it gets a little bit chilly. But this is my favorite part of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna say goodbye to my dog, Carly. Hi. She likes to hide under the bed sometimes. Be good. I'll be back. Don't eat anything. Don't poop, and don't pee. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I want to take you through my back and bicep workout. I wanted to start off my workout with deadlifts, but the barbell was being taken. So I decided just to warm up a bit, so I did that with some lat pull downs, lighter weight, just enough so I could feel my muscles contracting, and just a good warm up to start off. So then I went to just regular pull-ups, no weight or anything, but I made sure to do them nice and slow and in full range of motion, just to activate all those muscles. No half-ass reps or anything like that. Then I moved to the close grip cable row, and this is kind of where I started my workout. It was all kind of like a jumbled mess because I kept waiting and waiting for the barbell to open up. I don't know why gyms only have like one barbell. Well, this one has two, but still, when they're all taken, why is there only two? My gym is going to have so many barbells and so many squat racks. There will never be a wait. Yes, I said when I open my own gym. So finally, I was able to get the barbell, and so I did my deadlifts. I didn't have any chalk, so I could only manage to do 185 for 5 reps. My grip was really what was failing me, and chalk would be nice. I might look into some sort of chalk that doesn't make a mess that I won't get in trouble for at the gym. We'll see. After the deadlifts, I moved on to biceps. So I'm doing a strength phase. So this is a heavier weight. I only did 5 reps. Just making sure that I'm not using momentum, nice and slow. Getting that full contraction, feeling it in my bicep and not just lifting with my ego. I moved on to hammer curls, which I'm sorry you can't really see what I'm doing, but being a little bit, keeping it low-key that I'm filming, I can't tell what I'm filming while I'm doing it, so you can kind of see I'm doing some hammer curls here, heavier weight, 8 reps, alternating, and then after that, I moved on to some isolation hammer curls, and I like this exercise just because it totally takes out any sort of momentum that you could possibly use when you are working out. So it's full on, you are definitely using your bicep. I'm even struggling with this weight at 3 reps, but I am in a strength phase, so like anywhere from 3 to 5 to 8 reps is what I'm aiming for. And after this, I did some barbell shrugs that I forgot to record, and I also did some ab work that I also did not record because the warm-up area was a bit crowded, so I just felt weird trying to record with people around. So that is it for this workout. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Alright, back from the gym. I had a back and bicep workout. I did deadlifts today, and those were a little bit painful on the knee. I had leg day yesterday, so my knee's a little swollen. I haven't had an appointment yet with my second opinion doctor, but hopefully sometime today. Anyways, not today. So, I have to shower and get ready for my pee appointment. I also have to stay hydrated because I'm supposed to come with a full bladder. I got a whiny puppy over there. So yeah, shower, cold shower, because we don't have hot water pretty much ever, so that's fun. I'll see you in a bit. Peed before I left, which is I'm supposed to have a full bladder, so whoops, it's kind of just like a habit of mine to pee before I go anywhere. So I've got some kombucha and I got some water, just trying to stay hydrated so that I can pee into the little funnel Euroflow thing. But yeah, wish me luck. I'm slightly nervous, but I think I'll be okay. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So I'm here at my appointment. I've drinking a whole kombucha and I'm chugging some water that I put in here too. I don't know if you can see how empty that is. I definitely have to pee, but I feel like I will have to pee really bad in about another 30 minutes. So unfortunately, I don't have another 30 minutes. I've got like 5. So I'm gonna go in there. We'll see how long I'm gonna wait. It's kind of a hard thing to figure out. Like, I don't want to be incredibly uncomfortable to where I feel like my bladder is gonna burst, but I also want to have a good urge to pee because it's a little strange peeing and like, I don't know, it's like more pressure to pee, so you got a little bit like a shy peer sensation going on. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. See you in a bit. My appointment is officially done. That was torture because remember when I came in here and said that I feel like I'll have to go really bad in like 30 minutes? Well, I did, I had to wait in the waiting area for over that amount of time, and I was thinking my bladder was going to explode. I don't know how I feel about how it went, because it took me forever to empty my bladder, and I still had some, when they did the bladder scan after the Uroflow test, I still had some urine left in my bladder, which I didn't know. So I don't know, I'm kind of have mixed feelings about how things are going. He thinks that it is a bladder problem, not a stricture problem. So I'm gonna talk to Dr. Chen, kind of let him know how it went. This urologist doesn't think that it's a stricture issue. He thinks it's a bladder neck issue, and he gave me some numbers for Dr. Chen. Which way is this gonna go? Am I gonna get my balls, or am I gonna be denied? I have to wait till 5 p.m. to find out. So, looking forward to talking to Dr. Chen. Hopefully, everything is okay. I have to go meet my parents for coffee real fast. I'm gonna go home, make some food, and take the dog for a walk. Fun. Yep. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so this is my super late lunch. Japanese sweet potatoes, tomatoes and zucchini, garlic, ground turkey and roasted red pepper. I've got about, it's already 3 o'clock, so I've got about 2 hours until I'm supposed to hear from Dr. Chen. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly nervous, but I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna eat lunch, I'm starving. It's 6:25, 26. Still waiting for a call from Dr. Chen. No rush, but man, doctors are, they are not, this is not a day for doctors to be on time, but at least I don't have to pee, so that's nice. I might go make some dinner, because I'm getting hungry. Well, Carly, I'll update you whenever I get a phone call. So Dr. Chen finally called, and I was in the middle of making dinner, and I had ordered something from Postmates, and everything happened at once. I burned my food. The Postmates person was calling me because they couldn't find my house, but I was on the phone with Dr. Chen. So I like was able to text the Postmates person and told them just to leave by the door because I didn't want the dogs to bark. They didn't listen. They knocked. The dogs were barking. I was on the phone. Anyways, finally got to talk to him. I don't even know where to start with how to explain what the next step of my journey is. So, bottom line is, my local doctor thinks that I have something like a bladder neck issue. After reading off the numbers of my Uroflow thing to Dr. Chen, he thinks that it is not a bladder neck issue. He's like, no, I think your stricture came back. I just think that he doesn't realize how fast that they can come back, you know, in phalloplasty patients, considering your urethra is, you know, it's your arm skin. So my dog is like aggressively sucking on a blanket. Okay, so it's your arm skin. So he just is like thinking he doesn't really know how fast strictures can come back in us phalloplasty patients. So instead of just doing the urethroplasty in December, this isn't the worst news in the world because he's going to try something a little bit new on me, but he's also going to do my testicular implants at the same time. So it's kind of a win-win situation. He's doing two things at once. The downside is I will come out with also a catheter and testicular implants, but it's okay. You know what? I'd rather have two things done at once rather than not balls. You know what? I'm so stoked just knowing that I can get my balls. Also, the best part is he's in network now, so I don't have to worry as much about them approving my balls. So good news there. Another thing is this procedure I'll probably go into more detail about. I might try to email him to get more clear on what's going on. Basically, it's kind of more of an experimental thing for this stricture where they actually like stretch the scar and then inject like a powder, an amniotic powder, to make it so that you don't scar, basically. He kind of described it a little bit to me, basically thinking when they do like, you know, like little kids, when they, you know, even when they cut themselves, like they don't really scar as much, or when they do like surgeries in utero, you know, when the baby's like born or whatever, there's no scarring, and it's kind of amazing. So this is kind of just a new experimental thing. He's done it on like one person before and it worked, but there's a chance of it not working. But he said if it doesn't work, then we'll just do it again. Since he doesn't have to make a cut to get to the urethra to do this, he's not as concerned as doing my testicular implants and this procedure at the same time. So the risk is less and I can move forward because I'm tired of waiting. So there's a lot of good news wrapped in a little bit of bad news, but it's not much, it's not bad at all. The downside is that, once again, I was in denial with a stricture. I was trying to pretend that it wasn't there. That didn't work. So the Uroflow, you know, showed that it hurts to pee again, even though I was just like, you know, it kind of hurts, but it's not, maybe it's burning. Maybe I have a UTI. That still could be a thing, but yeah, the burning has definitely been a mix of either UTI or the stricture returning. It's like a burning pressure feeling, and it's like backflow from the stricture. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I burned my food, so I'm gonna go cook me a new dinner, and yeah, that's it. I'll probably make a whole nother video on the very end of this video. Not what? I'll probably make a whole nother video on the subject of this procedure he's doing for me. Just the more information I have as I go along, I'll probably ask him more questions, especially at my pre-op and all that stuff. So stay tuned for more information. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.